Modern infrastructure faces constant pressure from water, weak soil, and erosion.
Check the overlap here against the specs on the tablet.
Looks good, but let's make sure the density holds at the seam.
Look at the displacement right here. We need to document this section.
Pulling up the overlay now. It's within tolerance, but barely.
They improve soil stability, distribute loads evenly, and reduce structural failure. Geotextiles allow water to pass while preventing soil erosion and drainage blockage.
They reduce maintenance costs, save materials, and support sustainable construction worldwide.
From highways to railways and bridges, geotextiles extend infrastructure life and improve safety. Geotextiles are shaping stronger, smarter, and longer-lasting infrastructure for the future.